Wheel, first time, here we go. It's basically been an assembly of all the experts in their fields to make this come together.
2001 Space Odyssey was like a big inspiration point, and we wanted to make sure that we paid homage to the most famous running scene in cinema, and all done with practical effects. Being ambitious and trying to recreate the essence of what Stanley Kubrick did for 2001 was really big. All these things in unison are kind of happening together. You have like the huge wheel and the component, you have the dancers, you have the talent, and then you have the amazing directors, Ruth Hogman and Andrew from Lobster Eye.
We've always been interested in exploring the concept of time and perspective and messing with those notions. It's not clear where you are in space and time for a lot of this, which I think is a really interesting place to be. It's pure magic actually when you get there.
Just being able to work with like this all-star team is just something next level.